Prophet Nigel Gaisie is on board. We are passing through the headquarters one and that's because he's latest on the block. Nigel Gaisie, say nanwa yenini bedi nkomo wa hano. Ensembia Nigel Gaisie atwa to wiem say opese creating impression say. I had to say Jama. Yeah, kutia asofo ana bibi is an answer. By the way, let me make this clear. And any pastor, bishop, prophets out there, this show is not fighting the church. We are not fighting the church. And Nigel Gaisie, I know say by now will hear me. Listen to me well and open your eyes. We are not fighting the Christendom, Ghana. We are fighting fake pastors, fake prophets, and fake bishop, of which you stand accused of a lot of allegations be level against you. And I'll really also crave your indulgence. And Nigel Gaisie, ubetimi a bolder, ye mefra na bra, na netu ye interview exclusively with Nigel Gaisie. As of one bebre ye tonkra from unya bebre na tuto wirem, ebia tokwayem, o from omo so omba. But me bear two questions to ask Nigel Gaisie before my bame guest so. Na mamimbi sa Nigel Gaisie say anso ne kure wo kwan bi so say Nigel Gaisie anytime bia that Nigel Gaisie ebeye occasion bia na so obeye program a emu de no say bia all night and na say crusade and na say bisa no Nigel Gaisie SSS 7 previous ode no ho eka oba ne kure sa ibisa wo na oba so a so ne ode no ho eka no particularly should be a married woman. Is it true? The Atosumi producer a ready na fa the way to screen is mama say what connection does the ring on your hands has with the church? Ring bi share papa insa Nigel Gaisie insa connection be na sa ring no ewo with the church that belongs to Nigel Gaisie. Asema mbisa no Nigel producer ya fast mame na mame that picture no na me nhwa de ring na ehye won sa na me bisa ho asem and some group no so no edoso but ye gene kakra this is Nigel Gaisie sa obi a wo kọ na so ne hwe ring ni ehye na set to say jama wa ware no but my question is connection ben and as a ring ewo with Nigel Gaisie. Eno dan chen bioma me say bi say Nigel Gaisie say why said Nigel Gaisie SSF why do you have to bury a sword 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 didn't necessarily we see what the sword a shafom sword okra beka ne say sword na ninie say enkranti o yenka ne say beka ne say enkranti we a sword. This is a sword that Nigel Gaisie o see sa sword di e wona sori fie ho. This is a picture we metu from where we mu ye no mo kata so but there's another picture we hu say we mu tu amna no wie no or the anointing oil egu e bonu mu a ye the sword no e ba be shame. Producer check his picture no so e ma me o hwe a enini e bon ni ye ni atro e bon no na is e da ho no anointing oil aye ni se puka no sword no ene e de ba be shame asma mi bisa ne se obetimi a kire senti a abakwasem wo sa sword ho ana. Well, tonight more explosives in some no be doso na ebiom sword no monfa ni ti no so emra na yenhwe se the sword no so esitie. This is the sword and ye dia to ni ti so no na ubebi se sa nyankoma die asechire ne sen Nigel Gaisie ye be hia wa soro ha ye be hia wo studio ha em wa ba chirichirim e de amaye and some no doso papa and some no e doso ye very, very exclusive things coming tonight. But then, my main country is here for more share from all over. Now, we share sword no a munsam dawson. Okay, producer, mama sword in the back. Let me hear quick remarks be sword no. Yes. We share sword no a dey no mudi gu ni ti ho no. Anointing oil ana se dey. Ube hu say bibi reddish. Ena obi kuta wo mode sword no atu ni ti so na aye say ye anointing no. Na wo mode anointing oil say esudi o say emoja o say dey I don't know. And ye di ba be gu ni ti so. Sa sword ya edaniti so yi ye sie sa sword e wo na sorofie ho abakwasem e wom ne enen sen mo amokọ na Gaisie asori munim sa abakwasem na munim amobisa na sa asehwe ne sen na afi bibisa question say ayembia wo bopo bi say ora akompre ko Japan wo say wo pese ye den eye ne kure say wo na wo boss apo no say wo pese wo eliminate no. Reason why India ubo pose ye eliminating no ase ne saying. Well, and adwini na obenya ho answers. And am meaning kan ka ase mi so nkyere ubiara ora Nigel Gaisie ebebo pass ko na ko carry assassination and na murder of any of nipa won be pie platform is no gina yi. Because one shot, you would be the first casualty, including Nigel Gaisie himself. I swear God. Obi enwa yabama wodi to me, asha wonsa wo Ghana hase. Nigel Gaisie, no asori na obeye no. Anyway, too, trust him na obeye no. We want to walk at and shut up. You better shut up. Ghana does not belong to Nigel Gaisie. And a Ghana, yeah, makwai, Emma Nigel Gaisie, and in a two trust for any a woody for. Moon take Ghana by stop. Na mun ye dia mope, enye juma. Na ma men kantre Nigel Gaisie say asofobia wo mudi akaka benisem asofobia omutumi kasa ekukuduro so asofobia omutumi kasa eniama ho eni enianso abeye de achi de na Nigel Gaisie ye no enso o man survive and the laws of Ghana is working. O man pedi His Excellency Adodankwa Akufo-Addo number 1 has ensured that all nyoma and senem fatano the laws of this country should take control of it. And the CID penny, Ayora Kenyeboa, fantastic man, only IGP, BNI director, womu nami salutumu, womu ye jumankasa nkasa. And to run Nigel Gaisie, this is not the time. Odu humbekwa bata, Miss Remo, National Democratic Congress in Penny 4, Munchimu humfri sa asemwe ho. Let me issue this caution to NDC. Munchimu ho, every Nigel Gaisie ho, and allow Nigel Gaisie to face his music. Na ma meaning kind man warning say wontimi near to trust some Ghana. No power that you have. I'll bet my prophecy man aye juma. Enye juma. You'll be exposed. Some allegations here diabo may say ya so for one exposure. But this one of Nigel Gaisie, any pa allegations of death, murder, me who be that? Any pa kum and obe hu nipa ni bi. Ye be yi pictures ni bi akyere mo. Na se yetomemu na mo se de we kan ene de de ni hu na eye Christosum dia then I beg to differ. Come on. E de asem ye kan. And that seat in hand I shededa. Ansana my first guest bebano. There is this what you call mistaken identity be akoso. Na ese me chirim. Na no Wednesday kakra ebo ababa wobia onene so enantoko we na so ashasia eba wo na ababa we ye friend Rita Adams. Rita Adams unfortunately akwese eno so akoye maami peni bi su din a se bi ono so tini ba bi ye na adwuma wo na osikwaku since am boss a din Rita Adams masunko adidi ye medwuma mu o me namfofo obi afi se jemaamia mesum ti ba bi a medweme ho enti sa Rita Adams ya eye boni din oni Nigel Gaisie allegations on ne kwa outi me tiremu say oye formally a worker of tallow oil oye adwuma e tallow oil tete no ana kane no ohona na oye adwuma Rita Adams kane no oye adwuma o tallow oil sisi amene mo ka sei ono e na oye the events on manage mother care e wo American House udru American House East Legon hono mother care kese bi ewo ho ono na on manage sa mother care no but kane no na cheso ye dwuma tallow oil and your friend Rita Adams ntino Sir, ye can na enye Rita Adams bia say Rita Adams first no age more lawyer. Into ubia o de Rita Adams mpacho enye wo ne ye kan wasem. Into mo amo point insa with other names associated with same surname say Rita Adams mpacho munjai ensa na mo point e wo nipa bi so na asomdwe entimi emra. My guest tonight, first guest passing through Kakra Arthur, or a former Siam, or a former young pastor Emma Nigel Gaisie is passing through tonight with a part 2. Kakra, Memoadro.
Yeah.
Na uhumpo etisay.
Nyamiado.
Great.
Memuyepa.
Wonderful.
Mbojana no gwamoban.
Sawo.
Yeah.
Since our baha yebedi nkomwe yenya nties bi nkakrakra say nipa bi so frefre nem ne ade sa frefre no ebi ye die be nkomo sa se omo se ye die
mi chia metiefo dan enyi bi o hwen bia mi chia Christopher nyina fiti last Wednesday ye program we no nkofo bi no Asha says I'm threatening.
Oh, what threatening?
Yes.
I see.
Nkofo bi test message. But ibinimi fi sofuna jegeza sorry.
I see.
Mo na one pictures wo mo. Wo threat me ibinimi si wo kum ti say na wo kum na ya na yakubu.
Hey.
Obi si ye be shoot him say na ye shoot Ahmed Suwale.
Nina your messages are any threats on the boss.
Nina your traitor. Ya de bamso.
I see.
But me person be catch na mun ko fun there. Maka no kwal na mewu. Maka no kwal na mewu. Because you will Christopher bi ni mo wa won pen no kwal. Se denchem finsu aseba. Na so be catch se denchem ni ma mi wa. Ase de jidi. From Wednesday up to today, more threatens, no about. But I'm person catch you say slow. Nimpa, ye dine ni mo Jesus Christ no. No call no ken in the wukum. Once upon a time, na me ni sofu na aje na ye adwuma. But abla me fi Cape Coast, me ni sofu na aje be ye adwuma. Na nya me sompa na owo me mu. Me sofu penyin ezi nyame sompa ezi wura me mu but abla me meet sofu na age no okachem say ose do bie meni
Oh, okachem say so bie weni
ose do bie meni wo ministry mu
I see
tina mentase no okachem sofu ba ko go sui ese wo bie kakreni ose kaka wo do wasutu fom. See, all these terms in Adam and Tasi. But later on, no, or my chairman say, but me here corrupt. Me here corrupt. Me sragan of any Christopher would see me. Say, Sao Bonina me dim unko room, and I massacre Maggie. Name me say, or so soon Yankopon. Osende zonu nu wonu bonum na so ka no gbana anu Nyankopon o ye no kwalofo do ze no gbana o be den
o de be chem
anya boni na wodi chem o Cape Coast but me see sofu na age no o chem inyama bebre deep things in prophetic ministry
o
chem deep things
see
in prophetic ministry.
I see before no none on me do see baby but and then no me am more interested also knowing kwan of faswa or shisha income now former President Mahama ye nya ntie say papa wa shisha income bebre but and then me pese wo chire mu man kwan of faswa or share former President Mahama income and na fi so kwan nom and na wonim wo mo shisha the household of former President Mahama Gaisie enam wo mo so etietie nkomo ewo Mahama fie na odehye Mahama nkom unim din ni bia me pese din no ye na ye hwe ye course area
izin mo choke
sure but
ye choke
how
izin ba mo na bu
how
ye choke
how osa ye omo yes arrangement
arrangement in say me person me bie Ghana fo ni kakra.
Great.
Anya so obi enyim gu asie na yeta o. But as I said Ghana fo wo hu. No color any thrower our prophetic ministry. And men can say prophetic ministry no. Wo ina na wo ya azan. No. But some of them no wo ya azan. Ebrewo. Ejekweku.
Yeah.
We be some asem. Me pese me business of na agent say. Apart from o she eboni nkom, say eboni bu. National prophecy ben no wa ma wa bem. National prophecy. National also your nation prophet. But me be pese this and there. National prophecy ben no wa ma wa bem. O say 2016 or Shenkom said, and I go for the win election. 2016. Sa video no me person or me journal on for full video fambra.
O share sankom ne nyina so be no.
O share sankom no see who say MPP bo win majority seat. No who say na na Akufo-Addo aye closer to the seat. But walk to aban wie you know. On say ye the Mahama is it.
I see. 2016.
2016. 2016 as I'm making. But video now the ban video no cutting. Why you editing? So say oye nyamini papa nyame afra no asra no wa me challenge no me man 24 hours on prove mama ye editing on for full video fambra on for full video because I was there 2016 in o share dan kom
na unim senti o share sankom na unim nyina so nti onya o de share sankom
injina so injina so de share sankom yin say every prophet bia na nye prophet ni nyina so obia pe fame obia pe fame enti di obey so de no obey Samisha wo kweku nkoma master kweku samisha wo nkoma enye news but obi o yes celebrity mission nkoma ye news
yeah
samisha obi ti say Mahama nkoma enye news wa Ghana Samisho biti sana na bana mo nkoma oye news wo Ghana but Samisha ordinary person nkoma
onye news
ashada ye news
obia nshada nte papa
obia nshada nte papa enti san kom na o share 2016 say na Akufo-Addo go win election san kom no they say bibi wo or see me who say why you closer. Okay, so Ghana for you. So obision come. Your prophecy. In your prophecy. Ghana for you. Say Shamun come. Say me who say Akonyano. Me who say what benwa. Anin say what can say when we say Makatina Kunya.
Say what ben no nyantra kunya.
What ben but we nyantra so anin yan come share. And young comes a Ghana for woman ye nim bie. Ghana for a Christian for woman ye nim bie our prophetic ministry. Or see me who say, men would there. Yes, men would Akufo-Addo. One ben, akonya no but ye lesson wie no what to aben wie no na yet ma isi but so wo kase obi aben akonya no a ani chese wahyen kwam se nyimpa no ota akonya no so unless there wahyen kwam se mihu se ye to aben wie no na akufado ota akonya no so as a president of Ghana. That is the clear and clear prophecy. I don't know what you say. Wahyen kwam amanabum
it is income stylish of income showing is it eya oye e de dada nipa na dwen ana say obese o che say
no I fame nse wato atu enti say ebemu a ewo no obenye din kakra
great na fi ye ne kresa so say Mahama fi ho no no enipa bi ena ne didi
eye true eye true no kolo wo mi say ami amutina ase minim na na ba na mo yi minim ne papa ne fie ewo Cape Coast 2018-2019 sofu na ajeri be hyenkom efa na ba na mo se bibi boni bi eboto na ba na mo sa information me bom pese ana ne pem ka cha Nyankopon se boni bi amaye ososo Nyankopon onfa me boni ncham na menyim se na miye nyina ayemfomso pate na me hu se sa na ni na ye boni mbian kasa na me de dem information no me de masofu na Nigel
some information ye ababawa no
some information no ye ababawa na say make na ba na mo ama na me de some information me de ma sofu na Nigel mo de share na ba na
what I say, and not just say because of all closeness to Nanaba Namwano, Utimi nya some information and in a bush near Cape Coast or
ne bush or Cape Coast or ne papa fee, ne papa side, ne papa side, you know, Cape Coast.
I see.
It to me, any of them information at the man. Emma 2018-2019 31st night. Audition Nanaba
Obekai is uncommission, or say girl in the bed.
Or see, I send me back to Nanaba. It's on Facebook or social or YouTube now.
I send me back to no.
I send one be back to Nanaba and Nabana when we boom us and won't be back to no. Nanaba mamba. But I don't want them Ghana, I see.
But Mona Moshi share.
Oh, yes, she said, oh, you do my sister. Oh, you do my sister in there. President, ex-president, in the now, work on us. There is for me around ex-president.
Allegedly, sir.
Allegedly.
Say one woman information.
One woman information audition come. The first time, Oko committee ex-president Mahama. Oko ni fee. Ma guy you are Kumasi appear stadium. Appear stadium no man information.
Oh really?
Yes.
Kwapia.
Appear stadium no man information.
I see.
Yes.
And my Gaisie information.
Appear stadium no man information.
I see.
No audition.
Wow. These are all allegations coming through, passing through, as far as former President Mahama, His Excellency, are concerned, and all the prophecies given to him by Nigel Gaisie. Now, other allegations there, why do you know Uzunim say, Womosudi Mwakutini Yepa?
Ekofudi Mwakutin pa.
You hear names in the allegations we him. You audio recordings, we need so. The original audio recordings, we have say, why them voices here. But for now, these are allegations.
Some of the names in the war, Madame Wanabo, Yaminka.
That's right.
Meji Mamona.
Right. I'm saying, but could be crowd here, young cry, but wakoma, the whole of last week. We did the kind of thing we did. Yes,
sir.
Only me back.
Oh, me win.
Wakompa o.
A commission.
Bibi Hanwana. Sani pano unimno.
Oh, minimum.
Or you one of it may have phony beer.
I one of it, my phone beer. My phone beer. You see, now we are software. Nessa obi among formation or could be one some h0cking for sure obi nkoma. I saw one case in Pano. Who say we need him? Who say we need him? And some of the names in Ibiwawa, in confirming Mawa, high profile people. And I don't want to mean person one isn't.
Yeah.
And these are the people so woman on commission. Woman names information. Most of we now often goes through in Ankasoya way. Sometimes goes through in Ankasampo. Sometimes you owe me goes through in Obama there.
Oh really?
Oh yes. The last time I tell one or catch it goes through in Bakacham share. Here, Yejinasi, all me in school, all me in school. Mugabe na wabano. Or brand information or just cannot zako. You told me.
Why na body, you know? Go through in there, catch it.
Yes, go
that I'm not Obiabaho.
Yes.
Mugabe.
Yes.
No, about Nigel.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wabano hoping.
Yes. I was there. I was there. In Power with FM. Mugabe catch it, Nigel said. Yeezy. Professional. Unlifty.
Unlifty saying, as in the same. Unlifty
professional. I'm fire. I was there.
Okay.
I was there. You can't
now, Gaisie, and yet, sir, EC Electoral Commission professional.
Yes.
On Kenjamu.
And you see, make us ask him where Ghana and you be back, I say, Yamu Miska, and I'm a better and I'm a Kakadaman. Obiama Miska. Honorable, no one person come from me. Once you come from Mommy, you mean, eh? The Samisi Macano also will be Kumia. Would you 1,000 years was as issue? Some mechanical corners will be Kumia. Kumnamu. Would you bet you was as you wish? We
Nana, former President Mahama. Who believes onim ana onim ana sabri ye kind of onim
moshe.
I see. Yes, Kakra Isiam, or former young pastor prophets Nigel Gaisie. Mamenya do it quickly. All pastors, prophets, and bishops who have secured some spiritual assistance from Mami, a friend of Mami Pukua or Winchi. More kasi a program be your bo Mami din or your comfort or Winchi Mami Pukua. Asofwa makoho na makwajije spiritual powers na sefo muna list no eda hase enti ebe pass through ye the list ni be fa ejem na ya hwe wo mu a ebe survive wo jenim ba ku bia na mano ye me se menka chese me producer man nsa so se ma menka ye me se menka WU ede ya Wono listen to hapa afini ani yeba be yimwedwam but my main can say Bernard Mona and of course ora asiedun ketia am say mosumo na mwenchi east ho na na mo bia mutu ho well your satellite na peke intelligence no yenimu adeko amoye ho any ahemfo no but I'm sure say it will be one of the thing we are going to deal with it in the shortest possible time as we go along and sembebre enemy ade my member kakra so kakra maybe some questions there. Iti Nigel Gaisie show said what aduane ama mo wadi. What aduane ama mo wadi. Wa show ne me ade. Enti ade na wote ha wo ye Nigel Gaisie. Was akwa we so.
Go be some question. Question will be a nice question.
Yeah.
Sabi what aduane ama me. But me so ma hontin ina me de koye adwuma. Sa hontin kro na metumi asan yusu. Eda ye dwuma o baby fofo a no so bosum so a ebetua mka ma hondi ya na me de ko akosua nkonia me de ye dwuma no e ma no so onye sika and onye se ebia ne car anade ne je pazi binti ina ma betna but imu no call any intro our prophetic ministry on internet na
I see and troni bi ni mayehu bi
intro ni bi say there was time na you number 1 FM
number 1
FM si amu wo la bon news en fa na ye program wo and kwala bi more than 3 ayira
amofra
yeah mbofra 3 ayira wo Kumasi brekum wono eti na mi gina one front desk enyim wo ina obi frɛ esi ni portrait reception wo nti nyimpa no yin kasa yina na musu migina wa
utie
mitie maye se na mitie call but na mitie nkoma nyimpa no yin zi all the minya me yina me kai oye kisa ani nyama na Gaisie ina odi kyerem but sisi a nyame adom onyakopon eyi efi
enti eno na sa mujina radio station na dey na ekọ
radio ti gang hotel phone desk one on we look smart but na me metie nkoma oni ni pani edi
enti sa nkoma na ase ne zen
nkoma na ase se nkwala bi ayira ema maami bi afọ nkwala no a ozo won ba na ya chi nyimpa no na nyimpa no report odama radio station enti dotna front desk one ono no receive call no dotna front desk ono receive call no enti me tie no na me ye fast na me dey inform no me dey kama Nigel
oh
I want to more FM
sir
yes me too metna embo mitiru enka asem
enti wo di command so function kom emma hwan ebusuafo no na say radio station which one
or shan kom so a nation prophet enti we hu ade no no o hye enti no me da ba no nti o ka gu framum emi etiefu nyina ye den etie enti o ka no so no within just a minute ina nipa na ogosia no wo friend say ko bi abanti asem na prophet reka no no kwa nkofo obi ni matre wayo to no kwa asem no ye den oleka if the radio station one ankasa media house one ankasa no ye one ankasa we look smart
eye dwuma mo hyehye ye
e
ma radio station no
onye dwuma ye hyehye ma radio station no onye te asem no de we si oye no kolo e wo brekum woni baby ena obi afre fi brekum wo eno on ka kire nipa na otena reception one friend this one say the masem no we si into on two former news readers no on former news readers no enti mi gina wa na mo so mi ye da mi phone na wo ho wana mi ti da mo call no
breaking
news no opa na so tina radio station ho ono so tina
oh na Gaisie ti ho
opa na so tina only your program eti on some ye tro na ye de na ye do paper so ye de na ye do
nti mo tro de tu nanim
ye tro de tu nanim
e mo de hyenkom wo
adi hyenkom wo
eye entro
o hyenkom within a minute from 2 minutes to 3 minutes to 5 minutes ena obi beba ka che and say confirmation radio station one work esini bi ebe ka che say confirmation aye den ena abi but you know when you say eyedwuma hyehyai eyedwuma hyehyai ena ye hyehyai and to confirmation be bo hwe radio station me jowan but ni nya na chi no eyedwuma hyehyai
Nigel Gaisie man bi sa wo wunim kakra wunim se owo tumi sa tumi no eye nyankopon tumi ana ye bonsam tumi ana oni tumi bia de na wo hu you discover
me ne me sofu panyin Bishop Tony Edusai na me nyene na antewe ono no reason ono no ma me hu ni Yesu na enyama bebre wo wa na ajere oye ya me hu se sa sofu no oye bi me hu se me sofu panyin no okoya asori a onye oba be dance na akoya asori.
Do you believe that Nigel Gaisie or cultic minister of the gospel?
I believe me Jesus pa
Oni oba beda who can see oni oba beda saying wo kwa so these are allegations.
Yeah, these allegations don't to me deny.
Enti oni oba beda di internet say oni oba ebeda say you want have sex.
Oni oba beda oni be have sex. Oni be din pema agor. Before and son we busu mic. No I assure. When you oba don't to me shankom. Me catch no me then several times. When you banda, no one be absolute to me shanko. Never. You can't prophesy. On to me shanko, on to me say, we want to own yellow po on to mka.
So, Semet was here, does that mean say, commonly be more shy? And on your bad and home and be my win ya.
So, when you are bad, I know, Obaka, I know. Bakacho say, we know bada, be. Be. Yes. Ebie enti huhum bia huhum etumi nanti epic informations
enti one kasa no man you in specifics no o man no obabia otumi ne yes adna and couple of times I witness here say on your back have your affair right away no and obey yes our program.
Na bi owa ibi owa onu kwa wa ya solewi ina ma range man
wa range obama
oh ma range man onu mo ya sore mu Gaisie bi gutakrade mu Gaisie bi gutakrade Gaisie abese 4 e gutakrade we be week ya week we no we so aba
there is also the allegation say on it sebe and crofo no so edidi ehia ne ade all witnesses are in
oh yes
and crofo no
oh yes odi nko me ti a she me say bema de mbasam ze obete ye ho me a metina say me ntwum kasa me ye mbasam me a meta me nware ye but once upon a time na me yam basam but say ade me fi sa isun akokan mu de mbasam de me atwe mu aye den efiri ho but I'm against say osofo wa worry me kwa say me worry ye but osofo wa worry na wo sensu undi wo yere na wo sensu di obi yere
wo fa obi yere
yes udi obi yere
mu saade no Gaisie.
Oh yes.
Ene enkrofo ye no.
Oh, ono ankaso atawo no onyim oseso repent. Oseso repent. Oh, I meet pen oseso repent. Me ka che no me the most serious thing say bema de wo ye den a wo be for ba. Ane de me kan obi ane de me kan finsuma. Bema de wo ye den a obazi e be fa bi. But to go extend say wo kwa akafo obi yire no nyene badaje musuo
nibisa without necessarily mentioning name unimu mpinimfu bi waso ho a wo me ma warefo a
Gaisie
no omudi se
ami ankasa me pese mesi obi aware me pese mesi obi aware nke me didi ni botudwa
but oye peni
oyo peni
sister na mami owo aso dem ho
bisense oye den na ne sofo ba no je ya sorry
sofo ba ben
bisense ne sofo ba ne sofo ba no kokro oye no didi ne chi na okablofo de Nigeria yin no ne sofo ba kokko no won bisa no bendan na ne sofo ba no oje ya sorry
na oba no ono no de anointing oil
oye ne sofo ba anointing oil no didi ne chi
sa oba no oba warfo
oba warfo won mamie no won bisa so bendan na oba no oje ya sorry won bisa no
kakra de ne bae nta wo so be ne
ani ma cho challenge na ma no won bisa no akasa nyina onyim na azo oye won bisa so bendan na sofo ba no on ma so bi onye ne ye fine bi won bisa no
oja aso no preko
oja aso preko usofo ba
ono no share na sofo ntare na say no no si fini
mo ne bae ofi tv jo share so na bae no de no gbogota eja opana na je ya meka na asemi ode no hu ebeden
ebe batano
batano
internet say osum Nigel Gaisie
yes
I see
osum Nigel Gaisie na bibi kosu prepare kosu na ye kan wa asemi ya
adena emma sem no say emma didi bi nem ne ade sa no well known and associated with Nigel Gaisie
and so you use marine
then marine spirit
yes you use marine spirit
see.
He used to marry spirit. In any time you want your band down on Tony, you better punish him.
Wow.
Yes. And so you say any time you are so no bad. I know bad down to me, yeah, sorry.
Afi mi du besi e de ba asem e na sabre o ka ato Ghana foot ma bre ni edisa nkomo e fa Nigel Gaisie ho including pose wo mo e wa so dem sisi ya no mo nya mo de
me mba na wo wa so no na mutu anfo.
I see.
Mba wo wa so mo abompe break and loose, my father my maker.
Hey,
my father my maker, my
break
father
and
my
why na your father?
Father ni Nyankopon. Nti my father my maker. Every day be my father my maker. Ekwa asori me 5 years. 5 years in. Awalu ntumu mba wakwen. What start asori? Oba be ne hunda wa awalu aso no muda.
Hey.
Oba bi antumi wore.
Adi ntia.
Oh. Na sasofo na akaso no oba bi obebe bia no ho ye fe whiskey bia it belongs to papa. All the beautiful girl belongs to papa.
About one on one.
Oh, Mbaba Woninya, all the beautiful girls belongs to Papa. So who was going to put and put was a myself?
I don't know, pay a man who seek a Diana or Pess Adams.
Hell, I don't know the year, so no dibisu, or do ye, Nakasism, any Akakabinsam.
No, or Jim Man who seek
a Jim Boundsika. Yako be or Jim or Jim Boundska. Into the soften often goes to you. Because of that, into be showing in its own one.
The suffocate to a gospel.
Oh, near assistant no you TV soon ye to wait every day do you to wait with TV soon. On worry. What's of whom when you're banet? You call yourself you are man of God. You call yourself you are man of God. Oba when you need to me yan one dear. Next would the call. Next would to me your bar when you need to know dear. The year your friend rate out if you on your get not now for 8 years. On your banner for 8 years. There's a wound Nigeri, so we Nigeri, so we a genuine. And a winning Yansa, and Cobama goes to an Isika, so Fankayan away, on Fayan, Neyohazi. The Cobama Iska. But when you're under the Mawaya on your Baba 1 hour, what to a bandy, what to a colonizing, stir on your Banowazi, 2 years in.
Our prophetic hair chapel.
Our prophetic hair chapel as I'm making. One assistant pastor only be sieti. Over to me as I do Pentecost. Ube to me as I do Lighthouse. Ube to me as I do ICGC. Baby, what you may any prophetic hero.
I see. And say, a maba one or two of say.
A papa one of
prophet we on Yan Kupun.
Ah, no bia. Obi tum the girlfriend ba sorry. Nana Romeo. Or you more cry FM.
Why?
Nana Romeo. Nana Romeo yella. Nana Romeo yella.
Or you more cry FM.
Or you more cry. FM.
I said, man, I don't know.
Or you more cry FM. Or the nigga baby chair Nigeria make can watch him. Yeah, the new baby chair. I didn't cheap pet. Nigeria again would get together.
Oh. Just only nada.
Only nada. And my boy, you know, feel the year, sorry. That's why when we, boy, you know, my baby popra. And when we, boy, you know, broadcasting information, and my baby popra. It's your baby for the spiritual father. And to me, spiritual father, and I my girlfriend, me didn't be a bitch, yawa. Actually, my girlfriend, no, ain't not quaquada. And you know, quack,
you're near Branton in terms to say.
Oh, I am Branton in Tim, I say. Send them on your fines and mean to me.
But maybe some question way. A Branton, a friend in Lowen.
Yeah.
Ne manager, a friend is saying.
The manager of friend is Zach. Yeah.
And Tawantawa Ben on ne or former prophecy.
Lowen bar, sorry. Lowen bar, sorry. Before Lowen and Casanova bar, sorry, one and Casane. You mentioned Shayaden, Akodo.
Lewin, your yeah,
oh, Lewin, your lawyer, Taya, Lewin, your lawyer, your Kumoot, Ataya. And a Juman Shayaden, Akodo.
Trim ye, my.
Oh, that's a gun nowadays, you'll be on himself, Lewin, on your boss, ni Zach. On your Zach, one in Tim, Attity, Echo Entertainment News, Echo Facebook, Baby Allah, you won't say, on your Tim Iden, Attity. The one you do, I saw her piano. no boy yellow often goes through yellow no catch and bossy say lo win no waban into officer commission on function
commission
into some commission a ben sana so or ye jumana say into min can chena either there about you paper so and edit there no phone no we be WhatsApp no nti phone no da puppet no do say enti no o preacher ye bompire no we ku John wa hwe WhatsApp messages no enti so nya hu say message ni nya we read because you be intelligent or you be
very smart guy
very 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 smart guy enti no when you do one pen pa no the channel come wo boss Zach ozwa ko edrudo boy yeah your friend Zach isu
ono managing
but ni na no ye dwuma hyehyɛ aya hyehyɛ aya di inform ni na ya da manager Gaisie.
So when he releases that information a free at the command say on share say on only when the boss and Zach
No boy goes straight.
I see.
Go straight. Me put the enemy anymore. Later on, I go straight back at him. Say, I did wait there. You mentioned shit.
Into Osher's uncommon.
Oh, Osher's uncommon man. Problem bebre. Problem bebre. On social media for Zach Lewin. Zach Lewin. Zach Lewin. You could pay more police station. This goes through and he said. Police station one, then a course war.
I see we call police station.
Oh, Zach Ben, yes, gas are boy and chapel war grasses. Next to Zach Ben, one fashy and Bobby Biam was solo. Next to ye chan throw a poshi, ya do two. Zach do say, Zach Eddie or the no forward in the chibeno. But the hammer and that bobo grasses in him. Yet you check pictures in the police station. Say, Zach. Eddie, what breaky glasses or washer?
Into Mocheno.
Yeah, Zach. My 7 police station. I want a year case in war. Let me say, Obia, our question come Emma, a summer bound. In the year, so I was saying, so ye sika. This is a guy in a headquarter. This got 3,000.
3,000 more command.
3,000 the chairman police then town commander no one on your current commander we are. Then town commander no one. You may be. And cannot
go for police station.
My Sabu police station as
former commander.
Former commander as an American. Any crime no one. No, I also in a shell. Eshano. See, I do 1 hour. Can I walk on one? Once what you want share show on.
And I'm with this abonee.
Zach. Yet the move bonnie, Zach, American was me. Into Zach and Assam, no, because of only Zach, no news car, almost no to me push. Assam now could be on opening, or no see the no jay assuming tour.
Oja Assam tour, and see, a confusion, ebeda. Lewin and then
Lewin and his one thing. But prophecy in a human.
I see. Good. It was and 7 pretty fascinating, Papa. My guest, I'm in doing come, I'm in a baby happy. A Kakra is Siam. I only Nigel Gaisie and then Nancy barely 4 or 5 years in here. Now, Osha and 7 Okakana. These are very, very almost them. As some Osha Gaisie prophecies in free from all angles. Just say he was one man of God that would penetrate across board. The confusions on the entertainment industry in him, the political circles in him, and across board. Setting confusion. Zaki, let us have police for Dini Huska just like that.
Oh, Zaki no the unwin chase can you? Nancy can enough in
Zaki mood chatroto no sekeke.
Ye chatroto no suka to frustrate him because all Lowin Abason. Incidentally, he became for Lowin because Lowin is a celebrity. And to say she's celebrating commerce or negative for being news, you know, your human she.
Oh, just an open news, keke.
Oh, your human she say.
But then, my minister question: what knowledge I would name say Ebony Diano to me, Bam?
Ebony Diano, I know the main Kawansem says, yeah.
I see.
Ebony dear, me nka wan asem sisi ya.
What suspicion be?
But me was suspicions baby.
See.
Yes.
Between time then or shares are Ebony in common so be kaya. Anche na sa accident in susi.
Or share Ebony in common. It's just for 2 months to 3 months. Now something happen.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Be say yem be said okay, yem be said okay, okay say Kwame Yuji. Kwame Yuji bo. Kwame Yuji bo hu. O mo bompay. When we sow seed. But Kwame Yuji ya den one chance.
Really?
Kwame Yuji e don one chance. Okay say kidi benya accident. Obo kidi yo to nyum ya o se kidi o se wona ya o to nyum ya. Okay say kidi.
Celebrities in the watch show mun come be brave.
And so we say celebrate come no say tio ade no ndru na ene honhom na wodi ye adwuma no. Ne tin say honhom no so ye evil spirit e ka bone na bone no otumi bamu ntam. Say ka bone na the secret owo yin. Say ka bone na bone no otumi bamu ntam. Ene say ka papa no be che papa no ofri nyame e ka ne do babam but the way you sound no way you should do na bosuma wodi ye adwuma o catch us say your breast cancer be your breast cancer.
Wow.
So ka say bu a wan hwe wo pa gboma ye za na say cover na oda wo so no say cover na mu ye zina asam na wa aka no botu mu nyo. That is why o ka say o ka de Kwame Yuji obo Kwame Yuji enwu o si kidi obenya accident kidi enya accident o sin asam bon botu na ba na mo asembo na ntu na ba na mo 2 years na ba na mo da wan na mo okade Shatawale asembo to Shatawale na mo Stone Boy ne yiri ba sorry Stone Boy ne yiri e ba sorry e mo she Stone Boy ne yiri nkom se Stone Boy obi wo music industry ni ma opedo ku Stone Boy into Stone Boy and hwe no ye ya Stone Boy bo 2 years Stone Boy o da wan na mo o prosper o lutu no nyum Stone Boy yengbe ngwo Stone Boy so amane yile nsa so wo build up to today America.
No.
This in eti me be said eti ina the mun komi o hihye ina ye mi said ba ko pen wo ma oban yin di abedin ta na egbo ni nezen o share the mun komi within 2 months to 3 months in commission gbe.
Enti san commission no Ebon Okohu no ana ni producer eye friend saying.
Egbo ni mbembo hu.
Wenko hu no.
Egbo ni mbembo hu no be bia. Ni producer bia mbembo hu no. Ni producer be no.
Bullet am hu no.
Bullet mbo hu no be bia. Bullet mbo hu na me direction bia. Bullet mbo hu no.
I see.
Na je get the same commission Nigeria election. Buhari go lusu. Matiku ewi ni power. Je na esi ye. Je in esi ye. Je na esi wo Ghana ade.
See.
Atiku we lusa. Atiku lusi. Eti me pese me cho na je get the track prophecies oyen force ayen tro.
I be mo aso boa na mane.
Oh, ibia ne ya na ye boa no me say no me nim get bi na of Cape Coast. Me nim get bi of Cape Coast or America. Obeya na sorry. This year last year asemi na America. Information or the share no komi na man ono akaso onye.
Rano America says.
Oh, Rano America says ya or jigen no musika. Man am the information ya me the information ya do manager modi eduma bebre.
Great information everybody. 36 minutes gone past the hour 9. Ocean Net 2 TV, the show is the Seed Show. And of course, we are live from Net 2 Television here in Accra, the headquarters across dozens of affiliate stations. All pick the feed. WhatsApp messages on the 0240 550 0240 550 Mene kakra ABC has say and say no before best sorry no last week mobile kaya ataria na o share ye be friend no na sofu nkumenkwan be friend no Emma Chesa, Uku Nigel Gaisie. Birimu, ye birimu, them.
Boy, you pull me, you pull me. I
saw them.
I saw them one the office or look your office. Now you get the boom here or boom me. I tell him Michelle Cornini.
Oh,
I tell me Ghana for Mushu. Ghana for Mushata, dear. Mushata, dear. Oh, boom me. Oh, boom me. Oh, boom me. Mamma tell him we not to tea.
Wow.
Made me boxes in a video more poor. Oh, boom me, sir, Ghana for Mushu.
I saw from Kumenkwana or on account.
asɔfo gogu mo ayɛ sɛ na mo pata so na mo gu me mo ayɛ sɛ na mo pata so na mo gu me owie na ɔgye me phone na ɔde me phone na ɔde yɛ den ɔde hwehwe na ewie oyi memory card na ɔwɔ mu no yɛn bi sɛ sɛ phone no ɔgye ni interest bɛ na ɔwɔ phone no because sɛ me kɔpɛ information na me de ba through WhatsApp na me de ma no nti sɛ wangye phone no na sɛ when break phone na with the information be bad ebe ko out but ebe gi phone na say phone but information o wo mitiri mu dey intum be yi fi madwum that is why any agenda yin there opedo okumi fi wiase enti so okumi fi wiase a na o che say bibia lo so ayeden etwa
bibia so etwa kakra in a minute ye fan so afutu quickly how de ma asori ma
afutu amedema asomba eya ye nwanum besiafo no eya na mo prophetic ministry bebre but me condemning prophetic ministry our Ghana ye nyina say mun ya papa ebinum ye papa na ebinum so ye obi ti say prophet ano ohun prophet ano a any prophet h0cking from pon is a genuine prophet but oko prophetic healer show hu ye number 1 wa war ebe kechi wa war ade ofa na war ebe kechi we djuma edu krai wejuma obefi wunsem se sika na edu kura ya wusika sam obesena akọ down obebesebese kra